Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am turning myself into a very sexy red hot devil. This is probably the easiest tutorial that I have all of HALLOWEEK, that's why it's super short. I start off with a black pencil liner and just lining my upper waterline, and then I'm straight going into my Kat Von D Trooper liner in black, and I am making a nice sexy cat eye wing. And then after that, I'm going in to my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking the shade Whiz, which is just a black eyeshadow shade, and I'm going to use that to kind of buff out the liner a little bit and make it a little smoky. You could use any black eyeshadow that you just have on hand. So now I'm back. I did the other eye off camera just because it did take me a little bit to get the right amount of smokiness, and I also brought it down a little bit underneath on the lower lash line. I also added some false lashes, just put on your favorites, and now I'm going in with the Josie Maran Illuminating Highlighting Stick, and I'm putting that all over the high points of my face. For lips, I'm going in with the Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Man Eater. It's a really bright metallic red. I love this shade. You will see me wearing this as it gets closer to the holidays for sure. And then off camera, I actually added the NYX Butter Gloss in Cherry Pie on top just to give it even more shine and for that vampiness. And that's going to take us to the end of this look. Like I said, this is super simple, super easy. You could just wear this out. You don't have to do this for Halloween. I would totally wear this out. And we have one more HALLOWEEK tutorial to do. I'm super excited about this one. I loved this costume itself too. It was super simple. I just got the clips from Party City. They were like $3 and they just clipped in my hair and I didn't have to worry about ruining my hair. It was amazing. I will see you guys tomorrow with my last tutorial, and make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time guys, stay golden.